Hello, my name is Rob, Sterling Fleet Outfitters. What we want to show you today is another pool stock van. This is a 148 high roof heading out to a city. If you would like to know more information on pool stock and how it can get you on the road quicker and how you can get more done, give us a call at Sterling. We'll be happy to share that with you. Now let's get to the build and show you. So this van is for a Waterworks department. Has a workbench on this side, on the passenger side, with a 1/2-inch thick wall lining kit that tools and gear can be affixed to. In here you'll see 6 4-inch diameter pipes. That's for water keys, for shutting off the water. So there's lots of room there. Also the cabinetry here has the 1/2-inch ply on it. Underneath the workbench in this rear corner is a vise mount. So a removable vise mount that can be slid in there for working on. On the driver's side, again, for long chains and shovels, a 1/2-inch thick material that won't damage the side of your van. We'll go around to the other side and have a look. So let's flick on the lights. There's a switch here. This is a partition that is a walk-through partition. There's a door so you can access the back without getting out. This side is a custom width shelf for the Milwaukee pack-out cases. Very convenient. These are becoming very popular. Then a locker, and then a shelving unit. So all of our shelving is not screwed in but bolted in. You'll see a bracket at the top of all shelving units and at the midpoint, all the way along every single unit. That makes it part of the van, as you can see. Under the shelving unit, we have a 3000 pure sine wave inverter that's hardwired into the vehicle with 2 auxiliary AGM batteries. Where the inverter outlets are is on the side of the bench here. So we have 2 duplex outlets here, and we have 2 at the rear door. So again, on the passenger side, you will see the whole wall lining kit is a 1/2-inch birch phenolic coated plywood. Easy to mount things to. You can see the professional way this has been CNC cut, bolted in here, exactly to the Ford specs so you don't void your warranty. On the driver's side, where there's already shelving, we've put the white wall lining kit, which is our standard ABS coated 1/4-inch ply, which is easy to clean and brightens the van up. Here's our beacon switch in the front. As you saw on the switch, they're for the surface mount LED strobes on the back corners. Here are the strobes on the front. The main reason of our amber flashers is to be seen and to be safe. Let us know if you like what you see. Thank you very much.